highly metaphysical man, but I know when the stars are aligned, you can't bump into a person in the middle of the road, look into their eyes and you suddenly know. Rocking in the dance hall, moving with you, dancing in and out in the middle of June. My mama told me don't lose you, cause the best luck I had was you. I said, hey, I'll be gone today, but I'll be back from around the way. It seems like everywhere I go, the more I see, the less I know. But I know one thing, that I love you.
Persevere in faith, love, and holiness. Axel, do not forget. Rico, love your wife as Christ loves the church. And how did Christ love the Holy Mother Church? Nagpakamatay siya para sa simbahan. Pumasok kayong dalawa, kayo ngayon ay iisa na lamang. Pagpasok sa langit, hindi pwedeng iisa lamang. Hindi kayo tatanggapin sa langit. Dapat isa kayong pupunta sa langit. Mimisyon ninyo ang bawat isa. Rico, do you take Axel here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.